Paris in 2024, where every street tells a story of love and adventure. Paris, the city of light, has always held a special place in the hearts of travelers. Known for its timeless beauty, rich history, and vibrant culture, it's a destination that offers something magical for everyone. Whether you dream of a romantic escape, an artistic adventure, or indulging in world-class cuisine, Paris promises to enchant you in every possible way. Getting to this iconic city is easier than ever. Paris is connected to the world through its major airports, Charles de Gaulle, Orly, and Beauvais. Once you land, it's just a quick ride into the heart of the city, where the magic begins. Now, if you're wondering when to visit, here's the secret. Paris is beautiful all year round. In the spring, the city comes alive with blooming flowers and perfect weather for strolls along the Seine. Summer brings long, sunny days, bustling streets, and lively cafes, while autumn wraps the city in warm hues of gold and red. And then there's winter, with its sparkling holiday lights and cozy markets, turning Paris into a true winter wonderland. When it comes to staying in Paris, the choices are endless. You could immerse yourself in luxury at one of the city's grand hotels, stay in a charming boutique inn, or even rent a quaint apartment to live like a local. Neighborhoods like Saint-Germain-des-Prés, with its chic cafes, or Montmartre, with its artistic vibe and stunning views, are perfect spots to base yourself. Each district has its own personality, making it easy to find a place that feels just right for you. Of course, no trip to Paris is complete without seeing its legendary landmarks. The Eiffel Tower is an absolute must. Whether you're admiring it from afar or climbing up for a breathtaking view of the city, it's an experience that never gets old. Then there's the Louvre, home to masterpieces like the Mona Lisa. It's a treasure trove for art lovers, but even if you're not an art enthusiast, walking through its halls is an experience in itself. And let's not forget Notre Dame, a Gothic masterpiece that's still a symbol of resilience, even as it undergoes restoration. But Paris isn't just about ticking landmarks off your list. It's about exploring its neighborhoods and soaking up the atmosphere. Strolling through Montmartre, you can almost feel the echoes of artists like Picasso and Van Gogh, who once found inspiration there. Or wander through Le Marais, where trendy shops and art galleries meet historic charm. And then there's the Latin Quarter, a labyrinth of narrow streets brimming with history and character, where you can sip coffee in quaint cafes or visit the famed Sorbonne. And speaking of cafes, let's talk about food. Paris is a paradise for food lovers. From buttery croissants in the morning to decadent dinners of coq au vin and ratatouille, every meal feels like a celebration. Imagine dining at a Michelin-starred restaurant like Le Meurice, or enjoying a simpler but equally memorable meal at a local bistro. And of course, you can't visit Paris without trying some of its legendary desserts, crème brûlée, macarons, or a fresh baguette straight from the bakery. Paris isn't just about food, though. It's a city of culture and creativity. Art lovers can explore the stunning Musée d'Orsay or lose themselves in the modern masterpieces at the Centre Pompidou. And if you time your visit right, you might even catch one of Paris's famous festivals, like Bastille Day or Nuit Blanche, when the entire city transforms into a canvas for art and celebration. When the sun sets, Paris's nightlife comes alive. You could enjoy a quiet evening with a glass of wine at a cozy bar, or take a cruise along the Seine to see the city illuminated in all its glory. For something more glamorous, there's always the Moulin Rouge, where the cabaret sparkles with its legendary performances. If you have time to venture beyond the city, there are plenty of day trips to enrich your Parisian experience. The Palace of Versailles, with its opulent halls and manicured gardens, is a masterpiece of grandeur. And for families or the young at heart, Disneyland Paris is just a short train ride away, offering a magical escape into the world of fairy tales. While Paris dazzles with its well-known attractions, it's the hidden gems that truly make it special. Strolling along Canal Saint-Martin, discovering Monet's water lilies at the Musée de l'Orangerie, or simply sitting in a quiet park and watching the world go by. These are the moments that stay with you long after you've left. So if you're planning your trip, remember that Paris is more than just a city. It's a feeling. It's the romance in the air, the stories etched into its streets, and the memories waiting to be made. Whether it's your first visit or your fifth, Paris in 2024 is ready to capture your heart all over again. Thanks for watching. And if you've been to Paris or have it on your bucket list, share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures. And I'll see you in the next one.